Hello kids, welcome back. So we are doing shapes. In previous classes, you learned what are the different types of lines and what are the figures, that is closed and open figure. Why they are called as a closed figure and why they are called as an open figure. Now today's class, what we will learn? We will learn about the 2D shapes. So before starting this class, please like and subscribe your own channel. Let's start. We will learn today about 2D shape. So what is 2D shapes? So 2D shapes means the shapes which has two dimension, two dimension. Yes, and which is easy to draw on a flat surface or on a flat paper. Okay, so what is 2D shapes? Why we are calling at the shapes as a 2D shapes? Because it has two dimensions and it's easy to draw on a flat surface. On a flat surface. So that's why it's called as a 2D figure or 2D shapes. Now what are the two dimensions? So a 2D shape, for example, a triangle or a rectangle. So what a 2D shape has only the length and width. It has only two dimensions, that is first what? The length, and the second one is what? It has the width. What are the examples of these 2D shapes? Triangle, rectangle, square or a circle, means the all the figures which are easily drawn on a flat surface. So these shapes are called as the 2D shapes. Now we will learn about the vertex. Yeah. So in the shape, what is vertex? Do you know what is the vertex? What we are going to learn about the vertex. These are coming under the 2D shapes. Yes, what we are learning today is the 2D shapes. In 2D shapes, what we will learn today is the vertex. Singular, what we are saying? Vertex. Plural, what is this? Vertices. In plural form, what you are saying? Vertices. Yeah. So see, a point where two or more line segments, one line segment and another line segment. So a point where two or more line segments meet together is called what? Vertices. It's called what? This is called what? The singular is called vertex. This is called vertex. And these all lines are called what? Two or more vertex. It's called what? Vertices. It's called vertices. Okay. Now see. So what is vertices? So vertices is the point. These are the point where two or more line segments meet each other. Okay, here see, on this vertex, one line and two line, these lines are meeting together. So this point is called vertex and these all points are called vertices. Now what we are going to learn is the diagonal. So do you know what is diagonal? So what we will do, we will draw here first structure and then see, here we are going to point it first. Yeah, it's a B, C and D. So before going to know about the diagonal, what we will know? We will know about the sides. Yes. So see, one side, two sides, three sides and four sides. So what is side? Side is again a line which is connecting together to make a shape. What a line is doing? It's meeting together to two or more lines and that is form a shape. So here how many sides are there? Can you know this? Can you name these sides? See, first side is A and B. See, one first line is what? A and B. These are what we are writing about the sides. What we are writing about the sides. So here in this picture, what are the sides name? A, B, A, B, comma, then A, C, comma, then C, D, comma, and then B, D. So see, in this shape, how many sides are there? AB, AC, CD and BD. So there are four sides. In this structure, how many sides are there? There are four sides. So how many sides? Sides are four sides. Yes. So in a square also, how many sides are there? See, A, B, C, D. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a square also, how many sides are there? Four sides are there. In a rectangle also, how many sides are there? We will draw a rectangle and we will see how many sides are there in a rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. Now see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first we will name it also A, B, C and D. So see, how many sides are there? AB, AC, CD and BD. So here in a rectangle also there are four sides. In a square also there are four sides. Can you tell me how many sides in a triangle? So see, A, B and C. What are these? These are the vertices. Yeah, these are the vertices. So here how many sides are there? See, AB, first is the AB, BC and CA. So there are how many sides? AB, BC and AC. There are three sides in a triangle. Okay. Now what we are learning? We will learn about the diagonals. So here I hope that you understand well how many sides are there in a polygons. Now let us learn what is a diagonal. So do you know what is a diagonal? Let's see what is a diagonal. What we will learn now? Diagonals. Yeah. So what is a diagonal? See, first make a rectangle. Now we know these are the sides of a rectangle. Yeah. We know how to name it also. Now we will draw a slanting line. Yeah. We are drawing a slanting line. It's A to D and we will draw a more slanting line, that is C to B. So how many diagonals are there? One line and two lines. So these are the slanting lines. So what is diagonal? Diagonal is a line which meets two opposite vertices. What is the diagonal? A slanting line which connects two opposite vertices, not the same vertices. See, I am not drawing A to C. How I am drawing A to D? Means two opposite vertices. So when a slanting line connects two opposite vertices, this is called a slanting lines. So in a rectangle, in a 2D shape, that is the rectangle, how many diagonals are there? So see, AD, one diagonal, write down here AD, one diagonal here, and CB. So CB, second diagonal. So how many diagonals are there? Two diagonals are there. These are AD and CB. Now what is a diagonal? Diagonal is a slanting line which connects two opposite vertices. So these are called the diagonals. Now hope that today's class you enjoyed a lot and you learned a lot about the 2D shapes, why the shape is called the 2D shape, what are the dimensions of a 2D shapes, what is the side, what is a side's name, how you will name the sides, and what is a diagonals. Also you will learn what are the vertices, why we are calling it as a vertices. Hope you enjoyed this session, and if you have any doubt, let me know. I will try to clear it.